Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Car Configurator, where car enthusiasts like you and me literally just configure cars that we sadly cannot afford. So on today's episode, we'll be configuring a 2020 Tesla Model S. So this is different from what we usually do before. We usually just do engine cars, but now electric is the thing, so why not spec out one of the best electric cars out there right now. So we won't be going for long range, we'll be going for the all performance one, which has a range of 348 miles, top speed of 163 miles an hour, and goes from 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds. I think it comes with ludicrous mode. Yes, it does. Alright, and it also comes with a carbon fiber spoiler and enhanced interior style. So the price after, let's go just the purchase price is $99,990, and with like all the tax incentives and government, after savings, it's about $92,615. And you don't go to a dealership to get these cars. You either go to the Tesla, the delivery center, or they actually deliver to you. And yeah, that's one of the things I like about Tesla is that you don't have to, there's no dealer markup, so the price is what you pay for, and they actually deliver to you. So you know how you pay the destination cost about like $995? That's literally what you pay for to ship it to them, to you, then ship it to you. And also you get free unlimited supercharging with this car. So yeah, let's get into it. So for the exterior, white looks really good. Black looks also good too. I saw one in black. I haven't really seen that much Model S's in black. Mostly like Model 3s or Model X. But the red one looks, let's see what the red one looks. The red one looks pretty good. What about the blue one? The blue looks good. Okay, I feel like all of them looks good. I guess I'll choose the blue. And then for the wheels, you gotta go with the, what are these ones? The carbon wheels, or this one is just the black one with 19s. No, we'll go with the 21s, carbon twin turbine wheels, which will decrease the range because more weight and less, it has more rotational mass, so you use more energy. And that's almost a $4,500 option. Yeah, for some set of wheels. Okay, maybe like carbon fiber wheels, but these aren't carbon fiber wheels, it's just regular wheels. Anyways, let's go to the interior. So to match with the blue, let's get rid of these oak colors and let's go with the carbon fiber. Either the black or the white. I think the white looks really good. Teslas look really good in white. If you ever sat in a Tesla, bro, their seats are so comfortable. It's like cushion. It's like a couch. Like some people these look like performance seats, and they're cushioned, and they're not stiff where like you get like your butt ache. But yeah, these seats are really comfortable. It's cushiony. It feels like a couch. And yeah, with the white, it looks better. I think for the blue exterior with the white interior looks really good. And yeah, these seats come with, I know that they use heated seats, but with the cooled seats, I think they use a liquid instead of an actual fan. So it heats or cools without, it just uses like a fluid. And yeah, every Tesla has this big screen in the middle, and with the Model S and the Model X has like a dashboard behind the steering wheel, as the Model 3 doesn't. So I think they'll make a rechange after this, but who knows. So with every Tesla, obviously you gotta get Autopilot. If you don't, then good for you, but you're gonna get a Tesla and it's over 100,000, so might as well get it. And Autopilot is a $7,000 option. I think this is where they make their money per car. And full autonomous driving, I don't really like it, but it's so cool that, yeah, if you have a car that you drive every day to, like a Tesla, to work, and then you have a fun car with the manual, I think this is like the perfect car. Autopilot, man. Some people just tint their windows and just go to sleep at night. But you know how those people got on TV for sleeping. Okay, never mind. Let's go next. Let's go to payment. So Tesla has like these solar roofs. I don't know if it's coming out yet, but sure. Okay. So the total price, if you pay cash, is $114,990. After savings, it's $107,615. And I think, wow, okay, I think they reduced their like a deposit to 100 now. The Cybertruck is now 100, but I think the Roadster is a lot more. If you lease it, I feel like for these cars you should lease it, not own it, because you're gonna return it anyways, and if anything happens, you're safe. And yeah, because they're gonna come out with new models, and you might as well get the new one. So yeah, so this car, Tesla Model S, blue exterior with the black wheels, I think this looks really good. And it's a performance model, so 2.4 seconds, man. So if you like this, comment down below how you configure it. And thanks for watching, and I hope you're driving your dream car.